Lake Poway Loop Trail. This is a good hike when you're looking to do something on the weekends, late in the afternoon or late in the summer. Most people do this as a small section to get up to Mount Woodson or Potato Chip. This is the long way, so we just did the long loop around today instead. Now this is about 2.7, 2.8 miles, about 480 feet elevation gain, and it is a loop trail. Getting here is really simple. There's a parking lot, you know, a lot of people come here to fish, there's a playground, very easy to find, but just know that if you come on holidays and weekends, you're a non-Poway resident, it is $10. Be prepared to pay that if you are making your way over here. And with that, we'll finish this video with the trail details. So I just mentioned the $10 for parking. Watch for bikers and runners. There are a few of those around. On the non-lake side, the service absolutely sucks and doesn't really work, so plan for that. It's a bit strange here in Poway to have this bad of reception, but just know that there are pieces of this trail where you won't be able to send a text or anything. You'll be on SOS. Porta potties and trash cans are all around this entire loop, which is really nice. Make sure you pack it in, pack it out, keep this place clean. Certain sections are a little buggy right now. Here in late April, it is starting to warm up, but the wildflowers are out, so great time of year to be out here. And last note would be counterclockwise versus clockwise. So we did this clockwise. Really does not matter. Both sides have ups and downs. Really about your preference. I would, I prefer to finish at the park with the lake as kind of my last view, but you could start that way as well. It really does not matter. Hope you guys enjoyed the trail guides. Drop any comments down below, and I'll see you next week.